Just to summarize, we've looked at many different applications of singularity in our analysis, starting with some familiar ones, root ordered trees and binary trees. We looked at unary binary trees and Cayley trees, always getting a generating function by the symbolic method and coefficient asymptotics by a transfer theorem built from singularity analysis. We looked at properties of mappings, two regular graphs, labeled hierarchies and other implicit tree-like classes, and always being able to go from construction to generating function to coefficient asymptotics. And these are only representative examples. For each one of them, there's many, many other types of classes that are similar that we could define and still get immediately to the coefficient asymptotics. We have a very powerful and general calculus for deriving estimates of coefficients from combinatorial constructions. If you can specify it, you can analyze it. And singularity analysis is a very effective approach for generating function equations for classes with the GFs that are not meromorphic. It actually also works for meromorphic functions. It's more general, and some of these schemas that we've actually done were meromorphic. We just didn't talk about it. Could be. So the idea is that we have these schema that can unify the analysis for entire families of classes. We talked about the X-blog and the simple variety of trees and the context-free classes last time. I didn't show any applications this time. And implicit tree-like classes. And always we can get out to the coefficient asymptotics for large families of combinatorial classes. And there's other schema also that have been proven. Now, not every example goes as smoothly as the ones that I've showed in lecture, and particularly for context-free and related classes. The calculations involved to actually find the specific constant can be complicated, but usually could be mechanized. And it's reasonable to expect for a great variety of classes that you're going to find this kind of behavior. Just using the basic principle of coefficient asymptotics is the location of the singularity is going to give you the asymptotic growth, and the nature of the singularity is going to tell you about the sub-exponential factor and the constant. And in a great many cases, we can compute these things exactly into arbitrary asymptotic accuracy. So next lecture, we're going to talk about what to do with generating functions that have no singularities, but singularity analysis is really at the heart of analytic combinatorics.